want to get off that darkest ground. The gravity pulls you.
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm doing an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop.com. Who's here? Their business card. Oh, this is a big business. Is it? I don't. Okay, well, that's there. I have here a SpeedCubeShop sticker for a 3x3. I have the Yukshin Little Magic, and I have the Mf3rs3M, and I'm going to start unboxing them right now. So I'm going to start with the one that I'm excited about both of them. So I'm going to start with the Yukshin Little Magic, just so that I just like this one. So let's get started and unbox the cube. Okay, so it comes with the cube and the pamphlet. Here's the pamphlet. And it feels really, 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 really cheap. But the stickers, I like the stickers, just the orange I'm not really a big fan of. Let's get started and get into the first turns. Oh man! This thing is insane. Oh man. Oh my gosh. So the turning is very, very smooth, and the corner cutting, reverse, goes about half of a corner, and then the normal. It's pretty good. It does more than 45, which is pretty good. So that is insane. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing is so good. Oh man. So, yep. So the mechanism, it's just an edge, and then I wanted to see this corner. So I watched a video, several videos, and I've heard great things about this cube, and the corner piece looks amazing. Oh man, this has the same, you know what, never mind, let's just go. It's very smooth and very nice. I like it right out of the box. It's pretty good. So let's get on to the next cube. The next puzzle I have is it's the Mf3rs3M, and I'm going to unbox it now. So it comes in very nice packaging. I'm opening up the box, and wow, this is okay. Come on out. It doesn't want to be. There we go. And it said Cubing Classroom on the side. It's a very nice box, and the stickers, when you move, I don't know if you can see that, but when you move it around the box, it kind of changes color a bit to a blue sort of color. I got the M, so it's magnetic, and let's get into it. So the box is very nice, and it opens very, very nice. The cube inside the box, it comes with the cube, which is right here, and it comes with MOU cards, so that's not really anything important, but it comes with this really cool stand, which is oily. Why is everything so oily? And it comes with a screwdriver, so that's cool. But here's the cube. Let's open this up and do some first turns on that. Here we go. Alright, here's the cube. It's very heavy for some reason. And the shades are very nice. I like all the shades except for the red. It's a bit too dark for me. And it's really heavy. But let's get into the first turns of this cube. Ooh, that's very nice. I don't know if I can. The magnets are not very strong, but I can feel them. It's really great. I think that this puzzle has a very for this cube. So I'm gonna go ahead and okay. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. This cube also has the really weird corner. Looks like. Let's go ahead and put this back. Right now it seems pretty slow, but I think with a little bit of lube and if I tension it the way I like it, it could get better. Okay, right now it's actually getting pretty fast. And wow, this is super speedy. Any oil on the outside, but for some reason that stand did have oil on it or lube on it, so that's nice. Overall, this puzzle is really good and it turns really great, and I'm happy with it. And now that I've used it a bit, I can really feel the magnets now. They now click into place really nicely. But are they inside the pieces? Okay, now that I've used this cube a bit, once I break it in, it seems super fast. Oh wow. So corner cutting is pretty great. You know they do the same. So this is pretty good. The corner cutting is very nice. The normal corner cutting is good. It turns really great. So now that I've used it, this cube turns super duper fast, and I'm really happy with it. So that is the cube, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I also have the sticker, which you don't really want to see. It's just a sticker, but here it is. Move it. Come on out, buddy. Come on. This was 5 cents, so I decided to order it because I thought I could put this on one of my puzzles, like the little magic or something, just to make it look a little bit better. I definitely do recommend getting these puzzles. The little magic turns phenomenally, so definitely go get that as well. Whoa, whoa! What's happening? It's magical. This is magic. This cube is magic. This cube, magnetic. It's a magneto. But thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. And actually, gotta be funny in this video. Go watch more videos, or else you're wasting your time watching my video. Okay, that's it. Okay,